guys, it's Yura, and today I wanted to play around with emcosmetics as I finally bit the bullet and bought a full face worth of makeup. Luckily, they started putting out these holiday collections, so all of this was just about $98. Hashtag not spawns. I'm going to start by prepping the face using this primer from Murad, and a little bit goes a long way with this. I'm going to start mixing the two foundations on a palette with a spatula for a better color match since summer was just here and my skin is slightly darker. I've been using this color correcting palette from CoverGirl quite a bit, as you could tell, and I'm just going to pop the yellow under my eyes to reduce the darkness. I'm just using this small concealer sponge to blend it all out. Now, I wanted to use this fluffy brow sculptor in Universal Taupe as my only brow product, but as you can see, it only covers very little in my already sparse brows. It functions as a decent brow gel though. So now I'm going in with my well-loved Anastasia Brow Pomade in Ebony to fill in the rest of the brows. Enter the infamous Color Drop Serum Blush. I got it in Sunset Sky and I'm just going to drop it onto a palette and load it up onto a blush brush and dabble it all around for that natural, glowy, dewy flush. For my eyes, I'm actually using the Infinite Lip Cloud in Faded Clementine. And I'm placing some of it onto the mixing palette and loading the color up onto this fluffy blending brush. Now I'm just going to gently swipe it onto the eyes in a windshield wiper / circular motion for a wash of color as the base. To add some depth into the eyes, I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and dipping it into Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek and popping that into the outer corner of my eyes and just making sure to blend it into the base color. Now I'm going into this cream color called Lace from Jouer and swiping that around the edges to blend it all out. I'm taking this silicone liner brush from Sonia Kashuk and going back into that lip cloud and Faded Clementine. Now I'm just going to start lining my lower lash line with it. Then using this $1 shader brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to dip it into this taupe color in Sahara from Jouer and use that to blend out the rest of the lower lash line. The Illustrative eyeliner with the brush tip in black has got to be the best liner I've tried so far. Now, I normally don't line the inner half of my eyes, but the tip on this is so fine and it doesn't skip that I could actually line all of my lash line without making my eyes look smaller. Majority of natural eyelashes in the market tend to be too dramatic for my eye shape, and I finally found the one, guys. The number 31 from Eyelure has got to be my favorite lashes for my Asian eyes. As an optional touch, I am placing some glue on my eyelid to fake a larger crease line. Now I'm just curling my lashes here to help blend my natural lashes to the falsies. Then I'm going back in with a brush tip liner to cover that lash band and to clean the line up. Guys, clear glosses are making a huge comeback. I'm using the Crystal Morning Dew and actually popping them on the cheekbone area for a dewy glow. I'm going to brush on I'm Peachless from Geek for an opalescent glow that shifts between buff and a peachy pink color. However, it's unfortunately not picking very well up on camera, but in real life, this looks beautiful. For the lips, I'm going in with the True Gloss in Faded Clementine, then concentrating Milani's liquid lipstick in the shade Loved on the center, and I'm just going to create a gradient with these two colors.